Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Standard Chartered credit card holder, you know how important it is to pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and keep your credit score in check. Today, in 2025, with all the digital upgrades, paying your bill is easier than ever. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process so you can do it quickly and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by logging into your Standard Chartered mobile app or online banking portal. Download the app if you haven't already, it's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, head to the Credit Cards section and select your card. Here, you'll see your current bill amount, due date, and any minimum payment options. Make sure to check this early to plan ahead. Now, for the payment itself, there are a few convenient methods. If you're going digital, choose to pay directly from your linked bank account. Just select Pay Now, enter the amount, and confirm with your PIN or biometric authentication. For those who love the app, it's even simpler. Tap on the payment icon, choose your method like UPI or net banking, and you're done in seconds. Another great option is setting up auto debit. This ensures your bill is paid automatically from your account on the due date. To do this, go to the Autopay settings in the app, link your account, and set it up once. It's a game changer for busy folks. If you prefer the traditional route, visit a Standard Chartered branch or use their ATM services. Bring your card and the bill details, and the teller will guide you through. Remember, always verify the transaction to make sure it's processed correctly. A quick tip: pay at least a few days before the due date to account for any processing delays, and keep a screenshot or receipt for your records. That way, you're always on top of your finances. There you have it. Paying your Standard Chartered credit card bill in 2025 is straightforward and stress-free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.